Hello fellow diecast collectors. Welcome back to another episode of Studio 64. In this episode, we'll be featuring a new Hot Wheels premium tooling. The 1981 Toyota Starlet KP61. This model is part of a 5-car Toyota set, under the Hot Wheels Car Culture series that includes a Supra, a 1987 Hilux pickup truck, a 2000 GT, and an FJ60 Land Cruiser. As much as I would have liked to review this model along with the other cars for you, I still have to get the other cars of this set. This Starlet was actually a gift I received last Christmas. Beginning with the packaging, this diecast comes in the standard Hot Wheels Premium Blister Pack. I have to say, I really dig the artwork on this Toyota Premium set. And being a Car Culture series, this Toyota Starlet is a real rider diecast. Meaning, it sports rubber tires compared to plastic ones on the standard Hot Wheels car. The back of the blister pack shows the other models of this Toyota set. So what do you say? Let's crack open this bad boy. And here it is. This Toyota Starlet really hits home for me. Growing up in the 80s, I see this car on our city streets in Manila regularly, and like most 80s car back then, this Starlet sports a very boxy design. Since this is a Hot Wheels diecast, this is not scaled to 1/64, but it still does fall under the 1/64-ish size bracket. I love the paint work done on this diecast. The glossy red paint really pops out. It's complemented by the black accent trims, like on this B-pillar and door handle. These wheels would probably be my favorite feature of this diecast. The chrome finish is awesome. The rim size and design, coupled with the deep barrel, are period correct. Rubber tires, of course, being this is a real rider series. Looking at this front fascia, we can clearly see the fender flares, giving this Starlet an authentic street racer vibe. Headlights look like they are Tampo graphics, as well as the Toyota branding on the front grille, and turn signals are painted on. Of course, being a Hot Wheels diecast, this rolls smoothly. And looks extra nice cause of the chrome rims. Moving to the rear, most notable feature is this rear spoiler attached to the roof. I like how it has a seamless flow, making it like it was really part of the roof. Tail lights are spot on, as well as the Toyota Starlet badge. Not sure whether they're decals or Tampo graphics though. I think they're decals with a layer of top coat. The Japan car plates are a nice touch. Base is metal, and has the standard Hot Wheels car details on it. And as a reference to its scale, I have here a TLVN 1980 Toyota Corolla. As you can see, the Starlet, which is supposed to be a subcompact car, is way bigger than the Corolla. I would guess this Starlet is at the 1/60 scale. So there you have it. The 1981 Toyota Starlet KP61. From the Hot Wheels Toyota Premium set. A new tooling from Hot Wheels if I'm not mistaken, and I have to say, this casting is a real beauty. Circa 80s car enthusiasts like myself, would definitely love the 80s vibe of this car. The lowered stance, complemented by the chrome rims, the red glossy paint, and the wide flarings, just screams 80s. Definitely a keeper. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do hit that like button, and do consider subscribing for more Studio 64 diecast video reviews. Till next time. Be safe.